Hi everyone, it's Queen B. In this video I'm going to show you how to change motorcycle fuse. Be sure to like this video and subscribe this channel if you want to see more like this. I got this R15 V2. If you have a different bike, the process should be similar. So without any delay, let us start. Before we start, make sure to take screenshot on your way opening anything. So that way, if you later forget which part to put where, this will help. Also try to use gentle touch and handle things with care. Try not to force anything to open. If anything seems jammed, try lubricating beforehand. So this bike has the fuse box under the rider seat, and to access it we have to open this rider seat, and for that let's start by opening the pillion seat with the motorcycle ignition key. Then this center fairing part. Now these two screws which holding the rider seat with the 5 mm Allen key. Now it's free to be removed, so just grab the seat from its back, then pull it backward and upward to remove it. This is the fuse box. We have to lift this box up to access its bottom part. This is the red plug under this box. As we can see, we need to unplug it as we have our little fuse inside of this plug. To remove this plug, press these two clips to detach, then pull the plug down to remove. Now this is the fuse in yellow color. Just pull it from its socket carefully, then replace it if you want. And put it back once you are done. And also put the red plug as before. That's it. Now to put everything in its place, just do all the previous steps in reverse. I hope this helps. Like this video and share and subscribe to see more DIY videos, and I will see you in the next video.